To import or export contacts on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go for the Contacts application. From here, you'd like to go for the Organize tab right here. And from here, you have to scroll down and you will be able to find Import from file or Export to file. So first, we will try to export a contacts to file. So let's tap on this one. And here choose Accounts to export. So we'd like to export from device, for example. You can select all of these if you want to export all of your contacts which are on the SIM card and on your Google account, but I will only select device. Press export, and now you can give a name to this file and change the location of this file where you'd like to save it. So let's save it in this download right here. Press save, and this is how to export contacts. And now to import from file, you will need this type of file to import these contacts. So let's press import from file, and you can choose where to save these imported contacts. If you want them on Google account or on your device, for example, I will select, I don't know, Google account. And from here, you will have to find this kind of file which you have saved on your device, from which you can import these contacts. So mine is on the download. Probably if you downloaded this file, it might be in the same location. Simply select it, and these contacts will be imported shortly. After just selecting this file, these contacts should appear on your account, and I believe I selected the device or the Google account, I don't remember. Google account, I believe. This one right here, this is the only contact that I had on the device. So yeah, that's basically how you can do this.